Shiba Inu was launched in August of 2020 by an anonymous person going by the name of Ryoshi. It was a challenge to Dogecoin from the very beginning, and like so many other cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu is based on the Ethereum blockchain, with an originating supply of 1 quadrillion. If you haven't already done so, do please take a moment to subscribe to my channel so you can get similar content as soon as I upload them to help you on your trading journey. I would also appreciate a like. The Shiba Inu creators have created an ecosystem of 3 coins known as SHIB, LEASH, and BONE, and a decentralized exchange called SHIBASWAP. Because SHIB is a decentralized experiment, there are usually incentives to purchase your tokens on a decentralized platform, such as Uniswap. And of course, there is their own decentralized platform as well, SHIBASWAP. At the making of this video, the SHIB coin could be found listed at least 45 different exchanges. The first step in owning your own Shiba Inu tokens is to create a MetaMask wallet using either your desktop computer or your mobile device. This will allow you to buy, sell, send, and receive some SHIB, LEASH, or BONE. You need Ether to purchase your Shiba tokens, which you can decide to purchase on MetaMask itself or to transfer from other exchanges where you might already have your Shiba tokens, such as Binance. Next, you want to connect your wallet to SHIBASWAP by clicking on the Connect to a Wallet button and selecting MetaMask. Once your ETH is available, you can start swapping ETH for SHIB, LEASH, or BONE, simply by selecting a token and entering the token address, or by searching for it on the token list.
Shiba Inu crypto price spikes after Coinbase Pro listing as fans pressure Robinhood. The price of the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency has spiked after trading platform Coinbase Pro announced that it is working towards listing it. The price of Shiba Inu was up around 27% on Wednesday morning EDT to $0.000090 with a market cap of $3.5 billion, according to CoinMarketCap.
Looking on this heat map, we can compare SHIB's performance to all its other counterparts. With most of the cryptocurrencies following the lead of Bitcoin and Ethereum registering red for the day, Shiba Inu is literally the sole survivor, skyrocketing and up 29% on the day. Well, that's all, folks. I hope you've learned something from this video. And if you have, the only thing I ask is that you hit that like button, comment below, because I do use your comments to better inform me of what other content to create. Share with your friends and family. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, but most importantly, don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you get my videos as soon as I upload them. And I'll meet you in the next video.